Welcome to the virtual CES booth of Aqara. Let's imagine we are now in Las Vegas and you are invited to our CES 2023 booth. And I would like to tell you that this year will be the biggest in terms of our product releases. Why? Because of all of these products, we are so excited to present you now. Let's get started. And the first product I would like to showcase is the Video Doorbell G4. This is the only true battery-powered HomeKit secure video doorbell on the market right now. It consists of two parts. One part is called chime repeater, indoor part. It has the USB-C port for easy powering, also supports the power banks or DC UPS. It has the local storage, the microSD card of up to 512 gigabytes for 24/7 or continuous recording. It allows the main unit to connect better to your Wi-Fi network and has really loud siren on 95 decibels here. This is the main module or outdoor module of battery doorbell G4. It has two powering modes, so the first one is the AA batteries, which will allow it to work for up to 4 months in case of normal powering mode and up to half a year in case of battery saving mode. It also can be wired with existing transformers, so majority of transformers are supported. Also has a tamper alerts using this screw and is IP rated, can be installed safely on the porch outdoors. What is really important about this product is its local on-device AI capabilities for face recognition. This face recognition can be used in automations, which is a key point for Aqara Home system, and also for alerts, including loitering and face alerts. So, for example, you can schedule an easy automation in case a face of a delivery guy is detected. A pre-recording ringtone will be played on the main unit here, and this delivery guy will be able to know where to put the parcel. So, it has many more features, for example, the free cloud storage of 1080p for up to 7 days, but you will be able to disable its settings in case you want to use iCloud or any other way to store your data. And HomeKit Secure Video, as I have already said, is supported. And this is quite unique for this kind of device. Apart from HomeKit Secure Video, it does support a local streaming to Google and Alexa smart displays. And what I'm really excited to announce is that later this year, we are planning to achieve the Matter support for this product once Matter specification is available. And the second and probably the most exciting product I would like to show you is called the Presence Sensor FP2. As you probably know, last year we have launched the FP1 presence sensor. It got a lot of feedback from all around the world and was considered a real innovation from our company. And this year we have decided to launch this technology globally. This technology is called millimeter wave radar sensing, and FP2 is intended to show what this technology is capable of. So this product has USB-C port on the back, which will allow to change the cable and use the cable of suitable length in case it's needed. Also, it has a stand with magnets for easier placement. And the key feature of this product is called the precise zone positioning. You will be able to set up different zones within a Aqara Home app, such as, for example, bed, sofa, or desktop, and make automations based on the presence in each of these zones. And I would like to say that this kind of zone detection can bring the home automation at a new level, and will let you not to tinker with the PIR sensors and its drawbacks anymore. It also supports multiple persons, which makes it easier to use for those who don't live alone, and also has a built-in light detection sensor. And this is the first product in Aqara global portfolio that has this separate light detection sensor. Can be used in Aqara Home and third-party system automations. Also, it can be used for elderly fall detection for additional peace of mind. And this fall detection is private, local. It does not require any wearable devices and, of course, does not require the subscription. This product is based on Wi-Fi protocol, but it doesn't mean that the cloud should be always used. So local automations are supported, no hub is required. And what is really important, it can be natively HomeKit compatible. And later, when Matter standard supports this type of sensor, it also will get the native Matter support. The next product we are also really excited about is called the LED strip T1. This is the LED strip for almost any occasion and probably the best LED strip for automation. This strip is intended to solve the main issue of our product portfolio, which is not enough lighting products all around the world. So it consists of three parts. One part is the LED strip by itself, second part is the controller with buttons, and the third part is the power supply, which we don't show right now. So the LED strip is really interesting because it has different types of diodes, RGB diodes for atmosphere lighting, also tunable white diodes, which can be used for accent lighting if needed, and also it does support the RGB IC or addressable LED strip technology, which will make it possible to show different colors in different segments of the strip. You will be able even to split the strip by different parts and use it in different scenes in this case. This is the manual controller. It has the microphone for music sync mode. Also, this LED strip has an extension SKU of 1 meter for those who need a longer length for the strip. And also, this LED strip is IP rated, IP44, to be able to place it outdoors if needed. Of course, it will support third-party ecosystems such as HomeKit, Google and Alexa using the Aqara Hub, and also will get the Matter support later. Of course, it will be based on Zigbee and will act as a repeater, and also will have the ultra-low idle consumption to address the growing energy prices. And this is the Smart Lock U100, the first deadbolt lock from Aqara for North American market primarily. We really hope that the users will not have to wait for some of our competitors to restock anymore and will be able to choose this solution because it has better functionality, better design and so on. As for the design, it has premium housing made of zinc alloy and matte keypad, which does not attract the fingerprints. As for the fingerprints, it does have really fast and secure and precise fingerprint reader here. And this is the fingerprint reader other Aqara locks are really known for. It also has many other unlock methods, for example, the mechanical key under this cover, Zigbee unlock using the hub, NFC chip here, also the HomeKit unlock, Bluetooth unlock using the Aqara Home app, and the numeric password. It does support Apple Home keys, which means that this is one of the unique locks that is fully compatible with the Apple Home app. Also, it supports the Alexa and Google unlock using Matter, which will be available by the launch of this product. And also, it has many additional features such as remotely configurable passwords, remote unlock, and even the unlock via automations, which makes it the smartest door lock from Aqara global portfolio. And one more thing everybody is so excited about recently is the Matter update for the existing Aqara devices. As we have promised, we are working on the OTA update for our hub starting from M2, which will expose more than 40 Zigbee devices to Matter. Unfortunately, we didn't manage to push this update in December 2022, but now we can confirm that this update will start to be rolling out within a few weeks from now, which is quite exciting. But we don't suggest you to rush, because the key use case is not to upgrade the HomeKit setup to Matter, but to let HomeKit users to use their existing devices with some other systems, such as Google Home, for example. And key advantage of our approach to Matter update is that the users will not have to remove and reset all the HomeKit setup they had before if they want to test Matter with some third-party systems. You can keep using HomeKit without any hassle and keep using really rich functionality of Apple Home system without upgrading to Matter first, and at the same time enjoy the Matter in third-party systems such as Google and the future Amazon SmartThings and more. And the last but not least are our Matter over Thread sensors, the motion and light sensor P2 and the door and window sensor P2. We have already announced them and showcased before. These are the native Matter sensor for those who want to experience the new technology earlier than anyone else. They do support the third-party border routers, and of course we'll get the best functionality connecting to the Aqara border router M3 later this year. So the first sensor, door window sensor, has the longest possible battery life thanks to its really big battery, adjustable triggering distance from 1 to 3 centimeters, temper alerts and more. The motion and light sensor P2 will also have really long battery life, will have configurable timeout sensitivity, and also will have a separate built-in light detection sensor, which makes it different from any of the motion sensors Aqara had before. Okay, these several products are just the beginning, and we will have much more exciting news to share with you later this year. And as the pandemic is finally over, we will be looking forward to seeing you in person during the exhibitions like CES in the future. Thank you for your attention.
Aqara, continuous connection.